What's going on, Petrol Juice? This is Nelson here, and today we're going to be installing, we're going to be installing a crystal engine start-stop button on my G01 X3 M40i. It's super easy to do. This link will actually be in the description if you guys want to buy it. This applies to all BMW since most of them, if not all of them, are push-button start. It's super easy to do. It takes about 5 minutes. This kit itself comes with a removal putty. So the first thing I'm going to do with this is turn my heat all the way up, get it nice and warm right in front of here for about 5 minutes. That way it's pliable. Once it's pliable and you take it out, you're going to spread it across the start stop button, and you're sort of going to make a little handle with it. Once it sticks, you're going to pull it really hard and quick, and that's going to remove that button. After you do that, this is literally just a plug and play. Just match it up exactly where it should go and pop it right in. Let's do that right now. All right, guys, so I had this in front of the vent here for about 5 minutes. That's all you really need to do. It gets like nice and warm to the touch. It's about 34 degrees out. So next thing you want to do, the car's on right now. So this obviously will turn off the car once you put the putty on. And you're just going to want to spread it across and make sure it sticks very, very well to it. So that's what we're going to do right now. This side is actually bonded, it seems like, to the putty. So we're going to spread this all across. And we're going to make sure that it bonds. And leave it there for a second. Now, by the books, it says that this should come off right away. If not, they recommend using some 3M vinyl or 3M tape, because that bonds a lot easier to these, and then just pull it out. So we're gonna do that in just a second and hope that it works. There we go. Boom, baby, first shot. All right. Now, there's a light in here. This light is actually going to illuminate all of the crystal start-stop button, that's what they call it, on this little button here. Again, this is in the description. They make it for like F-Series, G-Series, pretty much all the BMWs. So you just line it up right where it feels good, and then just push it in. There you go. It's in. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, that looks nice. Come check it out. Look at that, guys. Keep it to the side there. Boom. Crystal start stop button. It was really scary pushing it in, but don't be afraid. I forced it in because there's clips in the inside. But look at that, guys. It is freaking gorgeous. And just like that, 5 minutes, you are done with your new mod, and it completely changes the way the interior looks. I mean, just compare that to the old one. It was just plain black. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Again, the link to this is in the description below. It helps me a lot. See you in the next video. Peace!